Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Wednesday, March 2nd. An important free speech ruling today from the Supreme Court. The justices ruled that hateful protests at military funerals are protected by the First Amendment. The High Court vote was 8-1. The case stems from demonstrations by members of a Topeka, Kansas church at military funerals. The church feels the country is being punished for its tolerance of homosexuality. The group was sued by the family of a killed-in-action Marine whose funeral was picketed. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the majority, saying speech is powerful and can inflict great pain, but under the First Amendment, quote, we cannot react to the pain by punishing the speaker. Across the world, the only Christian member of Pakistan's government ministry was assassinated early today. Shahbaz Bhatti was shot as he headed to a cabinet meeting. Authorities believe it was the work of Taliban extremists who objected to Bhatti's views on Pakistan's blasphemy laws. The shooting is drawing widespread condemnation, including from the White House and from the Vatican. In Libya, meanwhile, rebels are reported to have turned back an attack by forces supporting dictator Muammar Gaddafi. The pro-Qadhafi forces attacked an oil export terminal in the coastal city of Brega, but were beaten back. Witnesses said at least 5 people were killed in the fighting. As this was going on, the International Criminal Court announced it would open an investigation into possible crimes against humanity for Gaddafi's use of force against protesters. Gaddafi himself delivered another long, defiant speech challenging the United Nations to send representatives to Libya to confirm his version of events in that country. Back home, for the time being anyway, federal government operations will have the funds to keep operating. The Senate today followed the House of Representatives' lead and approved an emergency spending bill. It essentially gives Congress a couple more weeks to find a long-term solution to the budget issue. The temporary measure does cut $4 billion in federal spending. Republicans on Capitol Hill, however, are pushing for far deeper cuts. Analysts are expecting an intense 2 weeks of negotiations. And how safe are your online passwords and credit card information? Oftentimes, if you use public wireless hotspots, the information can easily be swiped by hackers. Senator Charles Schumer of New York issued a call to major internet companies today to beef up securities against that risk. Schumer asked companies that do business online, including Amazon.com, Yahoo, and Twitter, to beef up security on their web pages by using secure protocol. That's your political roundup for Wednesday, March 2nd. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.